Hey there, loan signing pays well per appointment, but between mileage, printing costs, and chasing invoices, it's easy to lose track of what you actually earned. Let me walk you through the Notary and Loan Signing Agent Business Tracker, tab by tab. Start on settings, your business details, your standard fees, and your mileage rate, entered once. The signing log records every appointment, the company, the fee, the type of signing, and how long it took. Mileage log tracks drive distance per appointment, which is usually the single biggest deduction in this business. Expenses covers printing, toner, paper, errors, and omissions insurance, background checks, and everything else that eats your fee. The Clients and Services CRM keeps your signing companies and title offices straight with their rates and payment terms. Invoices and payments shows what you've billed, what's been paid, and what's overdue, so nothing quietly goes unpaid. The notarial journal keeps the record many states legally require in one consistent place. And the dashboard shows your real earnings per signing once mileage and supplies come out. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.